Today is another beautiful day in Fes, and it's time to try what we came for, and that is Moroccan food. We're going to start the day with a street food tour and end by attempting to cook our very own Moroccan dishes, including tagine and Zaalouk. Hey everyone, we are Anna and Travis, husband and wife based in the Netherlands but traveling at any opportunity we get. We spent our first day in Morocco wandering through the streets and soaking up the vibrant colors and smells, both the good and the bad. In case you missed our first video, check it out over here. In this video, we are taking you into the alleyways of the Fes Medina to try local street foods and collect ingredients for the dishes we're going to cook later. So we've arrived at the location where we're going to do the cooking class. We're going to stop to have a little drink because the cooking class starts off with a visit to the Souk where we collect all the ingredients. And since we've been walking around all morning, I'm going to just relax a little bit.
أتاي وهذا السكر كنهرسو نديروه هنا هو السكر وهذه منت اللي قامة منت هذا نكب لكم دابا شكرا شكرا شكرا
So good. Just what I needed. After 2 more cups of mint tea, it was time to hit the souk with our amazing guide, Abdul.
So this is the Fava bean. It's very common now, it's the winter time and also especially in north of Morocco. One of the famous and very delicious soup. And stir everything. If you want to add some salt, possible. So I just started my day, so I can have one for sure.
Is this your breakfast?
Yes.
Oh, it's so good.
Delicious.
Like it?
Wow, the garlic.
Yeah, garlic sauce. Marinated in olive oil and salt.
Going dunk the bread in there. Do you like the soup?
Yeah, it's really good.
What is it again?
So it's fava beans with garlic,
Yeah.
cumin, what else?
Olive oil, chili. Yes.
Okay, I don't taste the chili.
And add it to your...
Okay. Alright, I didn't taste it. So how do you eat this? Just dip it in
Yes,
a...
just like this, but you need to hold it.
Right. So you dip the whole thing in?
Okay. Stir everything like this, 3 fingers.
Yeah. But this is a bit too big, I guess.
It's okay.
So it seems like each country has its own way of cooking the fava beans. If you remember from our Sardinia vlog, we had the fava beans and momiada. So check out that vlog if you haven't seen it.
If you're hungry enough.
How many do you like?
Medium ones.
This looks medium to me.
Do this one.
And now we're going to collect some spices for the tagine.
So you said we're getting cumin, chili, paprika, black pepper, and turmeric.
Ginger.
Oh, and ginger.
You forgot half of the stuff.
He's the expert. It smells like incense.
Honey, sugar, unfine sugar, and orange blossom, cinnamon sometimes also, and almonds, all type of nuts.
Sesame seeds.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Wow, it's sweet.
Harira. People normally use harira a lot. Harira is a soup, very famous harira, a very famous soup. Harira.
So this is with almond.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give it a try. It's almost like marzipan. It's like crushed very fine.
This one you should try it in your hotel. Khaleh with eggs in the morning. Wow, it's a dry meat.
It's really good.
Very good.
And would you eat it plain or with something else? Chicken, okay.
Chicken and sauce.
So many layers.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very nice.
It's also very thin.
Yeah, it's very tender, very good also.
So crispy as well. Look how stretchy it is.
So good.
Pure goat's cheese. But it tastes different from goat's cheese in the Netherlands. It's very light. Yeah, goat's cheese in the Netherlands is so salty.
Yeah.
It has a lot more flavor.
Oh, it's like
Hollandia.
jelly.
Hollandia. And how much Shioma?
Oh,
That's juicy.
again, it's very light. It just disappears in your mouth. It's a little bit like milky custard.
Custard.
Yeah.
How is it?
Nice.
Yeah, very good.
Next, we stopped for some traditional 7-herb tea at Abdullah's tea shop. Smells like mint. Geranium. From the flower?
Yeah.
The flower. Ooh, that's a strong one. And this one?
مرخورانة
No, not Marana. Marjonin.
That's marijuana.
Maybe that's a secret ingredient.
Marioline, sage, vervain, geranium. That's 7.
Oh, good.
It's nice, yeah. You can tell there's other herbs in it than just mint. So warm. It must be very healthy. I'm ready now. We're ready to cook.
What are you guys making?
Tagine.
Tagine.
With chicken and onion and
But-
many spices.
This is not the traditional way, is it?
No.
This is with the pot instead of
Yes, the copper pots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we have no patience. We're too hungry. These knives are very sharp.
We're making something very delicious.
That looks good.
You can try some later when we're done.
Later, okay, get out of the kitchen. Alright, get out of the kitchen.
That's not what I meant. Okay, is this enough?
No, still.
Oh, still.
Yeah.
Oh, that's for comparison. Wow, that's really thin. So, how's it going so far?
Oh, it's amazing. We're making 2 dishes. One is called Zaalouk, which is like an aubergine tomato salad, but it's cooked, it's warm. And the other one is a chicken tagine, but we're making it in a copper pot.
I must say, so far so good. We've had a great time in Morocco.
Fes has been amazing.
Yeah, it's been really amazing. Everyone's been so friendly and people have not been pushy at all. Before coming here we thought, okay, there's going to be a lot of people who are trying to haggle. Is it haggle?
How much is it?
Chandler, I will handle this. How much is it?
8,600.
We will give you $10.
So it's been really great. I feel so relaxed.
Do you? Oh,
Yeah.
I'm glad. What is that?
I think it's the prayers.
Yeah, it's the mosque.
So one of the guys was saying earlier today that every 100 meters there's a mosque. That's how we can hear a couple of prayers going off in a couple of directions. I hear the prayer there and I hear the prayers going off here.
Yeah, it's all around actually. It's like 360 experience.
That's really cool. I kind of feel like I'm in a movie.
Yeah.
I feel like it's really unreal.
It's true. Maybe because we just arrived.
Maybe that's just the shock between the Netherlands and here. It's been great so far.
Okay, so the next dish is a dessert made with milk, cornstarch, a lot of sugar, some cinnamon bark, and orange blossom.
What are you more excited for? The main dish or the dessert?
Both. Yeah. It's time to try our own food. Let's see if it's any good. We started with Zaalouk and khobz, which is round Moroccan flatbread, freshly baked for us.
Are you happy with it?
I'm happy. It's quite spicy. I put quite a lot of chili. And there's like 2 cups of olive oil in here.
So we finally get to taste our tagine. Oh, it's really flavorful.
Yeah?
Yeah, wow. I can taste a lot of the garlic. And the chicken's really tender.
Yeah, she said the chicken was marinating for a whole night.
Yeah, it's really soft. This is why we came to Morocco. Mainly for the food. Oh, it's so good. I can't believe I made this.
You get a certificate.
You get a certificate for?
Participation.
What does it taste like?
We got the creaminess from the milk cream we made. Fruit is nice and refreshing on top. And then the fried pastry is nice and crunchy. All goes together well.
So we've had a great day, very eventful. A big thank you to Abdul and whoever was the chef. We had a great time. And now we have to head to our hotel, so we have to walk around in the Medina. But I'm actually happy about that, because then I can walk off the food.
Exactly.
But we're going to end the day here. So